Ojo?
Ma?
Come here.
Ma?
There is something very important I want to talk to you about.
Mama, what is it?
You have to keep it between us. Okay. Achoo!
What?
Achoo! Excuse me.
Jesus is Lord!
What is the meaning of this?
Mama, do you have corona?
Corona?
Don't tell me you have not heard about coronavirus.
What is coronavirus?
Coronavirus is a
Come on, remove that mask.
Mama, coronavirus is a dangerous type of virus that affects the lungs and the airways. Mama, symptoms include cough, high temperature, and shortness of breath.
I hope you are not playing cystic fibrosis trick on me.
Mama, I'm not. Check the internet. Mama, some countries are on lockdown because of this virus.
So how do we prevent it?
You have to wash your hand regularly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds and try to avoid close contact with people that are sick.
So that is why you are wearing this protective clothes, because you think I am sick.
Mama, I can't risk it though. You are old already, so there is no problem. Me, I'm still young. I want to experience this life. I want to get married. I want to born children. I want to make money. Mama, I want to do so many things.
Okay, no problem. From this moment henceforth, I declare this house on lockdown. That means no going out, no coming in. Have I made myself clear?
But Mama, I don't have corona.
And I don't want you to have it. I'm still healthy and I want to enjoy my old age. Bye-bye.
Can I at least go and buy some things to keep?
I said this house is on lockdown. There is more than enough for you in this house. You don't need to get anything. Goodbye.
Babe, I don't think I can make it.
What happened?
I told my mom about the virus and now she has the house on lockdown. She won't let me go out.
Why did you tell her about the virus?
Babe, I had to. She's my mom, right? I have to protect her.
So what are you going to do now?
Honestly, I don't know. Maybe I'll just find an excuse.
I really need to see you, babe.
Babe, I know. I'll find a way, okay?
Even if it's just for 5 minutes.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Mama?
Yes?
I need to get my laptop fixed. I have projects to do.
Go and use my laptop.
Mama, I can't use your laptop. The documents I need are on this laptop.
How sure are you that the person who is going to fix this laptop doesn't have the virus?
Mama, he doesn't have it.
Ojo, be careful with me. I said this house is on lockdown. No going out, no coming in. And I have stocked this house with food and everything necessary to keep us in here for 5 years. By the way, have you checked your temperature today?
No, ma.
Come on, take. many is it?
37.5.
37.5. That is almost too high. You see why I said you shouldn't go out? Your immunity is weak. My temperature is 36.5. My immunity is strong.
Mama, you can't use temperature to classify one's immunity.
Come on, go to the washroom and go and wash your hands with soap and water for 20 minutes.
It's 20 seconds.
I said 20 minutes. Maybe me that washed my hands for 20 minutes, I'm stupid.
Later that same evening.
What are you doing here?
Mama, have you checked your temperature?
Are you sure that's the reason why you are here?
Yes, Mama.
My temperature is normal.
Okay, ma. Good night. Mama, the project is very important to me. I needed to give the guy my laptop.
You mean this laptop? Ojo, after I told you not to go outside, you still disobeyed me. Knowing how serious this virus is. You know what? I am going to quarantine you. Starting from now, you will stay in this room for 21 days.
Ma?
Yes.
Mama, I can't stay in this room for 21 days.
Okay, try me and see. No, just try me and see.
In fact, I'm going to the sitting room.
Ojo, it's like you want me to beat you.
Mama, if you come closer, I will cough.
You will cough.
Mama, I'm serious. I will cough.
If you cough, Ojo, if you cough.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please and please be safe out there. Please do wash your hands regularly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds and try to avoid contact with someone you feel is sick, and please avoid the crowd for now. Don't worry, this also will pass very soon. If you have symptoms such as cough, high temperature, shortness of breath, please do not rush to the hospital just yet, as while you're going to the hospital, if you have coronavirus, you could pass it to someone else. Please stay in your house and book an appointment with your doctor so he or she can come check you out, alright? Like I said, please be safe, alright? For my sake. I'll see you in my next video next week. For now, bye.
Jesus! Who did this to you?
Auntie Precious! She hit bottle on my head!
What?